dear students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, yesterday I told you about the matter. I told you that anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter. And I told you that matter is made up of molecules. Now, do you know that this matter is found in 3 states? Yes, matter is found in 3 states: solid, liquid and gas. You all know about the solids, like a table. Table has a definite shape. A chair has a definite shape. Okay, your book also has a definite shape. So these are the examples of solids. And if we talk about liquids, like your water, your tea, your coffee, your milk, these are the examples of liquids. And if we talk about gases, you all know about the vapors, steam, okay, and air. These are the examples of gases. Students, all these solids, liquids and gases all are made up of molecules. Okay, all these states of matter are made up of molecules. Only the arrangement of molecules is different in all the cases. So let's start with the solids. Here I have taken a notebook. You can see here. Yes, I have taken this notebook. Now, this notebook has a fixed shape. This notebook has a fixed shape. So this is an example of a solid. In solids, the molecules are very tightly packed. Like in this notebook, the molecules are very tightly packed. And why these are very tightly packed? Because the force of attraction between the molecules of this notebook is very strong. And this force of attraction holds the molecules together. So we cannot change its shape. Like if I compress this notebook, you can see here I am compressing this notebook and I am not able to change its shape. Means solids cannot be compressed because the solids because in solids the molecules are very tightly packed. Okay, and now if we talk about liquids, here I have taken this balloon and I have filled water in this balloon. You can see here very clearly I have filled water in this balloon. Students, in case of liquids, the molecules are loosely packed. The molecules are loosely packed, but they are near to each other. They are not far away from each other. They are near to each other. But the force of attraction between the molecules of liquid is not much strong as in case of solids. Okay? The force of attraction is weak as compared to solids. So, means the molecules are loosely packed, means they have space in between. Okay, so we can compress them. As you can see here, I am able to compress this balloon. I have filled water in this balloon and I am able to compress this because the force of attraction in case of liquids is not strong as in case of solids. Means solids have a fixed shape but liquids do not have a fixed shape, but they have a fixed volume. Liquids do not have a fixed shape. They take the shape of container in which they are kept. Like here I have filled water in this balloon. So water has taken the shape of this balloon. But when I will pour the water in a jug, water will take the shape of that jug. Okay. And if we talk about compressibility, I can compress this. The force of attraction between the molecules of liquids is not as much strong as in case of solids. Means the molecules have space in between and we can compress the liquids easily.